Right, we've got some leftover pasta. I literally put some butter in there. I put pesto. I put chili. And then I warmed it up. So a little bit of salt. And just a little bit of mayo because I actually want to taste like the pesto in that. And let's face it, do I really taste a lot of things with the mayo? I love mayo so much though. Do you know what I mean? There's hair on my fork. I think that's from the sponge. Can you still, I still sound manly. Still got a cold. It's making my eyes dark. Fantastic. I run out of butter, so out of time. It's a bit sticky more than I want to. Anyway, this morning I went and had my Botox done. So obviously it doesn't work straight away. Yeah. So I get it up there, basically lift it up, my jelly roll, and around here. Oh, and there. That's where I get it done. So then we went, and then I came back and took my daughter to the orthodontist. And I've actually got, do you remember guys when I said to you about, I was making my nose run even more. I was going to get my painting done. Maybe I'm sicker than I thought. Oh, I don't want to play my nose on camera. That's just gross. Anyway, I'm just going to say it quick because this chili's getting to me. I really want it. Anyway, I'm getting my painting done next Monday. So I'll get the whole house done. All walls, ceilings, 2 wallpapers stripped off, and all my woodwork, which is doors, windowsills, skirting board, you know, the shebang. I'm going for Egyptian cotton. Going for Egyptian cotton. And obviously white on the wood. What carpet do I get? Okay. At the moment, I've got a nice thick carpet, but I've had it since 2018. And I don't want it that thick anymore with animals. So I just want like a quite compact carpet. But I don't know what colour to go for, so I'm staying away from grey. So obviously my carpet is grey at the moment. So I don't know what colour carpet to go with like Egyptian cotton walls. And then I need a new sofa and a rug. And then my big mirror, light up mirror will go in my lounge. It'll look so lush. Regarding the carpets, obviously painting's easy because I can just move everything from the wall, but what do I do with the beds and everything when they're doing the carpets? Because obviously it's the stairs, the landing and the 3 bedrooms. But what am I supposed to do with the furniture? Like, do they move it from side to side? Obviously when I got this house done, we weren't living in it. Anyway, guys, I hope you had a good day. This is dropping everywhere. If you haven't eaten, eat. Something's better than nothing. I don't feel like eating, but what am I doing? Eating, because otherwise I'll have no energy. Struggling, but doing it. Anyway, sorry for this snotty video. Hope you have a good day.